Good morning, students. Welcome to GK class. We'll continue with the main topic, natural world. In that, you have to study spices and herbs. These spices and herbs, they add flavor and color to the food. And the spices are the dried parts of the plant, and herbs are the green leafy parts. Both spices and herbs are having medicinal properties, and they are having other uses also. Some are used in cosmetics and also as insect repellents. Here in this topic, 9 questions are given to you, and the properties of different spices are given. The name of the spice is also given, but you have to unscramble the letters to get the correct name of each spice and herb. First one, the leaves of this plant are used as a herb and seeds as a spice. Both the leaves and seeds are used. The leaves have a bitter taste and are available in winter in northern India. Here also it is available. The seeds are hard and yellow. The yellow colored seeds, these letters are given, and you have to write the correct answer. Actually, the answer is fenugreek or methi. Methi leaves you consume as a vegetable, and seeds are also consumed. That is, they are hard and yellow color seeds are there. That is fenugreek. Second one, the inner bark of this tree is dried and used either as sticks or in powdered form. The trees were once found mainly in present-day Sri Lanka, but now grown in many parts of Southeast Asia. That is, this spice is the inner part of the bark of the tree, not the outer bark of the tree. Just inside the outer bark, the inner bark is dried, and that is used as sticks. This is the letter is given, and the answer is cinnamon, or what is it called? Dalchini. Third one, it is also called devil's dung or stinking gum because of its strong and unpleasant smell when raw. It is obtained from the latex of the underground parts of the plant. The plant is native to Iran. That is, actually it is a gum-like secretion of the underground parts of the plant, and that is used as a spice. Its origin is Iran. What is it called? It is called asafoetida. Asafoetida means hing. Next one, the leaves of this aromatic plant are used to flavor not only food and drink, but also things such as toothpaste and chewing gum. You might have had this, no? Chewing gum and toothpaste also. The leaves are said to have cooling properties. And what is it? It is given TMNI, and you can correct it. You can give the correct spelling. It is mint. Mint is used to give flavor to cool drinks. Then toothpaste it is used. Chewing gum it is used. It's a having aromatic plant means aromatic means nice smell. Next one, these tiny seeds are stripped and curved and have a bitter taste and leave the tongue numb for a while if you chew it raw. The plant is said to be native to India. It is called, it is given MORAC. The correct name is CAROM, carom seeds, and it is called ajwain in Hindi. You know that, na? It is a spice which give a very numb feeling to the tongue if you chew it, or it is a little bit bitter taste, or it leave the tongue numb. Next one, sixth one. The seed is a source of 2 spices. So from one seed you are getting 2 spices. The seed itself and its net-like covering. So both are there. It's a seed, no? Inside the fruit, the seed is there, and the seed itself is one spice, and the net-like covering is there for the seed. That is another spice. The seed is poisonous and used in small quantities. You cannot use this in large quantities. The tree on which these spices grow is native to the forest of Indonesia, specifically to the islands known as Spice Islands. The trees also grow in India and Malaysia. We also grow these trees, and it is nutmeg. Tumeng is given. You have to correct it. Spelling is nutmeg, and the outer covering is called mace. MACE. Both are used as spices in many of our food preparations. Next one. The world's most expensive spice. It adds flavor to the food, color to the food, especially sweets. Sweets made of milk and milk products. Made from dried stigmas of the flowers of a kind of crocus plant. This is a flower of a plant, and it is a stigma of the flowers of the plant. And it is given the spelling AROFNFS. The actual spice is saffron, SAFFRON, and it is very expensive spice. Usually it is added in very small quantities in sweet preparations. Eighth one, this leaf belongs to a tree of the citrus family. Citrus family is orange, lime, etc. That family of tree. It is named after the Tamil curry, a word that forms part of its name in that language. This name is taken from the Tamil language, meaning curry from that. The leaves are a must in the cooking of peninsular India. In peninsular part of India, these leaves are used. And what is it? YCRUR. The correct spelling is CURRY. That is curry leaves. The last one. It is the underground stem of a ginger-like plant. So ginger-like plant means it is underground stem, just like a ginger only. It can be eaten fresh, but mostly it is used as a powder in Indian cooking. So we use it it is dried and powdered and used in Indian cooking. And it is another property, medicinal property it can be used as antiseptic in home remedies, and is also used as a cheap but safe dye. Gives color to the foodstuffs. So it can be used as a cheap and safe dye. It is used as antiseptic, and it is used in most of the food preparations, especially curries and all. It is dried and then powdered. So what is it? IRUTEMC, just like ginger family. So it is TURMERIC. It is turmeric. So that is about all the 9 questions. The answers I have written here. You also write proper spellings. You can refer page number 85 for correct answers, and write neatly in your textbook.